Good afternoon, everybody. And yes, this year is different, but like Alusha said, I've been part of this TPL from its inception, thanks to, guess the two names, Kunal and Mrinal, yes. But I have to say, I'm so happy that the TPL has grown to come and is seeing the season 6 now. I know the kind of hard work, the dedication that has gone into it. Kunal and Mrinal have really put in a lot of effort. You know, he's a tennis lover, you're a tennis player, lot of tennis players here. I'm so happy to see Lee, Sanya and Mahesh in this room together. Amazing. Well done, Kunal and Mrinal. But so for me, not being a tennis player or that much of a watcher, the reason my association is with the boys, Kunal and Mrinal, and I love the effort they put in. I like the idea that this game needs to grow because we need to know that there are more games in this country which need to be promoted, and whatever little that I can do by getting that spotlight on the game, I'm trying my best. I think there are better people here to do that. I appreciate the fact that you all think that I can put the spotlight on it. Thank you for the honor. I'm glad to be the ambassador to a brand new team this season. But I think new is always good, change is always good. And with change comes newer competition, new energy, and I'm really looking forward to this energy this season.
Tennis needed this, and tennis needs this, as we all know, and we're really happy to be part of something that is only going to help tennis grow. So I've been a part of TPL for a few years, and I've had the pleasure of being at a bunch of auctions, and it's done extremely professionally, and it gives amazing opportunity, not just for the Indian players to play against the best in the world, but also for them to grow. And we can see that from the fact that we do have a lot of, we have like 6 top 150 doubles men's players today. So I think TPL can take some credit for that as well. Again, thank you very much. I am honored to be here. Thank you for having me as your brand ambassador, and I look forward to a great auction and a great week of tennis in a couple of months.
Good afternoon, everyone. Of course, as it's compulsory, we have to thank Kunal and Mrinal for working so passionately towards growing the league. I remember speaking to Kunal 5 years back when he came to me, and I've been associated with the league for 5 years, and the kind of efforts that have been made year by year, the league growing. A big kudos to you both, and yeah, can't wait for the auction to get started. So keep it short and simple. Thank you.